Like, you know, we talked about composite, and as that Phenom taxied by, there's a lot of composite in that aircraft made on a mass production scale by Embraer. And you guys are all a part of that. I mean, how does that, I mean, is that one of the things that I think a lot of test pilots, you feel today when you see that pride in that?
To participate in a program like that is to
hydrate, up front, make sure there's some sunscreen on, if you've got little ones with you, dropping it on and reapply. And if you're at home, I know there's some cold beer over here that you need to see what the benefits from the radiators.
Hey, good morning, Camarillo. We're killing a little bit of time before the airplanes fly. So we'll get some great
Officers and Department of Defense personnel by your United States Air Force! Ladies and gentlemen, turn your eyes to the sky for the Ouija Blue! At this time, our jump master, Captain Chad Sepulcre, is performing final checks and adjustments to ensure that jumper is exactly the right point to land at the target area before you. Jumpers have exited the aircraft and are accelerating towards the grounds. At this time, all canopies have successfully deployed their main parachutes. They will now perform a controllability check, ensuring the canopy is safe to fly before setting up a precision landing in the target area before you. At more than 50 special events, displaying intricate aerial skills for more than 2 million spectators. Jumping into events that include the college football playoffs, the Orange Bowl, the Rose Bowl, and various air shows across the world. Ladies and gentlemen, our jumpers are low enough that they can hear you. Put your hands together for the Ouija Blue! Leading in our jumpers from Monument, Colorado, the jump master for today's demonstration. Please welcome Captain Chad Sepulcre! Coming in hot from Fairfield, California, with 680 jumps carrying the United States Marine Corps flag. Let's make some noise for Jason Parker! From San Diego, California, with 600 jumps to his name, bringing in the United States Navy flag. Put your hands together for Gunner God! Let's make some noise from Monument, Colorado, with 689 jumps to his name, flying the United States Air Force flag. Please welcome Mick Keselowski! And finally, from Kansas City, Missouri, with 694 jumps to her name, displaying the United States Coast Guard flag. Let's give it up for Katie Thorpe! And our last jumper from Chanhassen, Minnesota, with 688 jumps to her name, carrying the United States Space Force flag. Let's hear it for Annika Safer!
Okay, G-Day Doll is making her first pass.
Come up and see what's going on our ramp and on the military ramp down below. So airplanes are lining up, getting squared away, and as soon as we do that, we'll come back and talk some more about it.